NVIDIA. What's behind the stock rally? We're going to take a closer look at one of the biggest success stories in the tech industry, semiconductor giant NVIDIA, NVDA. Over the past decade, NVDA has been among the top-performing tech stocks globally with a staggering return of 8,550% and a mind-blowing surge of 25,000% since April 2003. It's no wonder that investors are flocking to this powerhouse with a current market cap of $666 billion and an 85% year-to-date surge in its stock price. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, stay tuned for an exciting dive into the world of NVIDIA and its unstoppable rise to the top. In this channel, we do tons of research about the stock market, and our goal is to help you on your journey to financial freedom so you can live life on your own terms. If you like this video, make sure to destroy the like and subscribe buttons so that you won't miss any of our future content. So what's the headline here? NVIDIA Corporation's stock price has been increasing lately, mostly because of the growing use of generative artificial intelligence. This is expected to have a positive impact on the company's growth in the near future and in the long run. Generative artificial intelligence, AI, is a type of AI that is capable of generating new and original content such as images, music, and even text that did not exist before. Unlike other types of AI that are based on rules and patterns, generative AI uses complex algorithms that allow it to create something new based on the data it has been trained on. This technology has a wide range of potential applications in industries such as art, music, advertising, and even healthcare. That's quite a mouthful. Let me put it this way. It's like having a robot Picasso in your pocket. Generative AI is not just about following rules and patterns, it's got some serious creativity going on. It can make art, music, and even write stories. And the best part? It's all original content that's never been seen before. Okay, I know you're thinking, stick figures, big whoop. But trust me, this technology has the potential to revolutionize industries like advertising and healthcare. Imagine a world where every ad you see is tailored just for you, or where doctors can use generative AI to create personalized treatment plans. And who knows, maybe one day generative AI will even create the next great masterpiece. Move over, Mona Lisa, we've got a new artist in town. I digress. Anyway, going back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA has been a major disruptor in the tech world, creating groundbreaking products that have changed the game in many different industries. Back in 1999, they invented something called the GPU, which made video and graphics on computers look amazing and sparked a whole new era of PC gaming. But that was just the beginning for these tech wizards. Since then, NVIDIA has been busy expanding their product line to other areas like data centers, cars, and even advanced visualization and artificial intelligence. It's like they're the MacGyvers of the tech world, always coming up with new and innovative solutions to make everything better and faster. Now, how did NVIDIA get into generative AI? On March 21st, NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, recently told a bunch of tech nerds at a visual conference that the company is launching a bunch of new services to help businesses use these generative AI models to train and run their own fancy AI stuff. Basically, this means that big companies will have more options when it comes to building or buying their own AI infrastructure. It's like they have more ingredients to choose from when making a big fancy dinner. But hold on, this doesn't mean that the tech bosses can just sit back and relax. No, they still have to make sure everything is running smoothly and that the AI machines are doing their jobs properly. It's kind of like having a bunch of robot assistants. You still have to keep an eye on them and make sure they're doing what they're supposed to do. But with NVIDIA's new services, the tech bosses will have more tools at their disposal to make sure everything is working like a well-oiled machine. Artificial intelligence isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, said Shane Rao, a research VP covering data processing chips for IDC. It's like trying to fit into your old pair of jeans after a year of pandemic snacking. You need to find the right fit for your use case and understand how to match it with the right hardware, software, and services. Think of it like trying to find the perfect outfit for a first date. You want to impress your date, so you need to know what you're looking for and how to put it all together. Luckily, NVIDIA is like your personal stylist for AI, offering a range of as-a-service solutions to help you look your best and impress your customers. NVIDIA is launching a trio of new AI services, Nemo, Picasso, and BioNemo. But unfortunately, they're still in the limited access phase, kind of like the VIP section of a club where only a select few get to party. But if you're lucky enough to get in, you'll have access to some pretty cool tools. Nemo will help you generate text like a literary genius, Picasso will let you create eye-catching visuals that would make Van Gogh proud, and BioNemo will help you create molecular structures that even a chemist would envy. Each service comes with everything you need to get started: pre-trained models, data processing frameworks, personalization databases, inference engines, and APIs that you can access right from your browser. It's like having your own personal team of AI experts at your fingertips, minus the awkward office birthday parties. Morningstar, a company that provides financial data, is exploring how to use NVIDIA's Nemo technology to extract useful information about markets from raw data. This involves tuning the Nemo models with the expertise of Morningstar's staff. The Picasso service allows businesses to create their own images, videos, and 3D models using AI in the cloud. NVIDIA is partnering with Adobe to incorporate these capabilities into creative tools like Photoshop and After Effects. There are concerns that using AI-generated models to create derivative works could lead to copyright issues for businesses. To address this, NVIDIA has teamed up with Getty Images, a stock image library, to create a licensing deal that ensures artists receive royalties for the use of their work in AI models trained on Getty's database. This is aimed at improving the reputation of AI-generated art and addressing copyright concerns. In other words, Morningstar wants to use NVIDIA's NeMo to get some useful financial insights, and they're putting their staff to work to tune the models, kind of like tuning a guitar before a rock concert. Meanwhile, Picasso is helping businesses become artists themselves, creating images, videos, and 3D models like they're the next Van Gogh. NVIDIA even teamed up with Adobe to put these capabilities right in the hands of creative professionals. It's like having an AI assistant who's always on call to help you get your creative juices flowing. But hold on, don't go creating derivative works just yet. NVIDIA's got you covered with a licensing deal with Getty Images to make sure artists get their fair share of the pie. It's like a get-out-of-copyright-jail-free card for your AI art. NVIDIA is also collaborating with Shutterstock to train its Picasso AI to create 3D models based on licensed images in its database. These 3D designs can be used in industrial digital twins on NVIDIA's Omniverse platform. NVIDIA's third AI foundation service, BioNeMo, focuses on molecular structures. It enables researchers to design new molecules and predict their behavior. NVIDIA is marketing this service to pharmaceutical companies for drug discovery and testing, and working with Amgen, a biotechnology firm, to fine-tune the service using proprietary data. It's like NVIDIA's Picasso is getting an upgrade and can now create 3D models from licensed images, while BioNeMo is helping researchers discover new drugs like a molecular matchmaker. Enough said. So what can we imply from all these fuss? While other tech companies are struggling to keep up with the times, NVIDIA is charging ahead like a bull on a rocket ship. According to its founder and CEO, Jensen Huang, the company is actually seeing an increase in demand for its platforms as more and more people want to jump on the artificial intelligence bandwagon. During an interview with Yahoo Finance Live, Huang said, "We're seeing a boom in demand for our DGX AI supercomputers and inference technology thanks to generative AI. It's like everyone suddenly woke up and realized that AI is not just some sci-fi mumbo-jumbo, but a real thing that can make a difference in our lives." Huang, who recently gave a keynote speech at NVIDIA's GTC Developer Conference, added that AI has reached a point where it's not just for rocket scientists anymore. It's like AI has gone from being a super secret club with strict dress codes to a fun, laid-back party that anyone can attend. And with the rise of popular AI models like OpenAI's ChatGPT, the interest in AI is only going to keep growing. It's like the AI party is just getting started and everyone's invited. According to NVIDIA's CEO, ChatGPT has reached this impressive milestone in just a few months. With the number of startups and applications using generative AI on the rise, it looks like we're witnessing the birth of a new computing platform. NVIDIA has been investing in AI for years, and it's certainly paid off. Its data center arm has grown from $2.98 billion to $15 billion in revenue, making it the company's breadwinner and leaving its gaming division in the dust. Looking into last year, NVIDIA's stock price is crushing it like a boss. While other companies in the same industry are drowning in losses, NVIDIA is still standing tall with a 2.5% increase in their shares. Even the mighty S&P 500 has bowed down to NVIDIA's prowess with a 12.7% decrease. AMD is feeling a bit blue with a 14.9% dip, but Intel is probably seeing red with a whopping 41.8% drop. It looks like NVIDIA is the real winner in this race. But should we continue to ride the trend, hoping for better days ahead? That's for you and your financial advisor to figure out. Wink, wink. As we wrap up, let's give a round of applause to NVIDIA for pulling off a double whammy. They're dominating the AI game while also giving their customers a huge chance to save some dough. Huang's advice to accelerate computing is like finding a $20 bill in your pocket. It's the best way to do more with less. By refactoring software, companies can save a truckload of money and even shrink their carbon footprint with NVIDIA's power-efficient GPUs. And let's face it, with AI taking over every nook and cranny of the industry, NVIDIA and its cohorts are looking mighty fine for the future. So if you want to be an efficiency ninja, NVIDIA is your one-stop shop. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more hilarious business and finance content.